Hi, all my dear CA aspirants. I hope all you are doing well. I'm so happy to make this video because I'm making this video to introduce my new CMA Inter Auditing book, which will be very much beneficial for you guys because this book only contains the important paragraph or important concepts from the CMA study material, that too in point wise and in the direct speech, by avoiding all filler words from the ICA study material. So I'm gonna take you to a tour or take you on a tour through my book to show how it is different from the CMA study material. For some concepts I have given the indication mark, like just read. That only you have to just read because that there is very less chance to ask, and even if they ask only, they will be only chances to test through MCQ and all. Like there will not be direct descriptive question from these concepts probably. So what I have given is like for all the important concepts, I have given a heading which you can treat it as a questions and all, so that you can study that concept by assuming the heading as a question. So for example, here it is given relationship or difference between accounting and auditing. You can treat it as what is the relationship between accounting and auditing, and you can study these answers. If you cross check with the CMA study material, you can understand the difference between the wordings in my book and the CMA study material, and it is showing relationship between audit and investigation. All my concepts in this book is actually by using simple words, so that the CMA students will be able to get a better understanding. And also, I am providing with this book free doubt solving, like my CA and auditing book also, so that if you are having any doubt, you can communicate directly with me, so that I will be able to help you. Provided you should have a basic understanding, like what are the main concepts or the intention behind the standard, so that it will be more helpful for me to clear the doubts, because we are communicating through WhatsApp now, so there is a limit on how much we can talk to each other on clearing doubts right now. So I'm showing how my books, for example, from internal control point of view, what is the heading here? Oh, okay, here it is showing significance of auditing. Like from legal point of view, what is the significance of auditing? From internal control point of view, what is the significance of auditing? Like that, it is given in point wise only. Like this is actually module one advantage of it, inherent limitations of audit, advantages of statutory audit, non-statutory audit. These are all the concepts discussed in the ICS study CMS study material itself. But what I have done is that I have converted the paragraph wise described items in a point wise in my book. So let's skip some pages to go to the last areas. Like you can see the basic elements of internal control. One second, let me zoom it so that you will be able to see it clearly actually. Like even if there is 7 point, you only need to write depending upon the marks they are asking now. Like for example, if they are asking the question for 5 marks, you only need to write 5 points. There is no need to write 7 points and all. Like this is module one actually. Narrate the different types for evaluating internal control by the auditor, internal control questionnaire and all. Everything is in point wise. I think now it is zoomed so much. Okay. What are the auditor's liability for relying on internal check system? That and all is given in point wise. And for in some areas I have given for understanding only, not for exam. That is for you to understand the concept in the better manner. I have given my personal examples and all. That you only need to read for understanding purpose. There is no need to read the same in the exam point of view. So these are mainly about module one. Let me go to module two. The same concept is also like in point wise, that too in simple words. by avoiding all filler words from the ICA study material. Advantages of company audit. Sorry, appointment of a company auditor. For understanding, example is given that is only for understanding purpose, not to write in exam. Appointment or reappointment of company auditor. Like the bolded words are the heading, or you can treat the same as questions, and the below things given is the answer. What are the statutory auditors of company auditor? The inspect books of accounts and vouchers. Every company auditor has the right to access books of account and vouchers at any time, regardless of their location. An auditor of a holding company can access the records of its subsidiary and associate company for consolidating financial statement. Like because for that the holding company auditor is responsible for consolidation. So for the purpose of consolidation, the auditor needs to uh, con- obtain the financial statement of the subsidiary and associate. So if the auditor want, he can also have access to the books of account of those subsidiary and associates. Like simple now. I think you have to first go to your ICA study material and then come and see this video to see the difference or the miracle. So like this is also all about module 2 in point wise and all. The module 3 also is similar to like that. Here it is given for understanding purpose. That no need to study by heart and all because no need to write in exam. Module 3 is mainly talking about audit of different types of entities. Audit of organization, hospitality sector. This is the chapter now dealing with these points. Uh, Now the next chapter is audit of banks. What are the different types of bank, commercial bank, regional rural bank? What are the regulatory framework or what are the laws or regulations that the bank needs to follow in India? These all the regulations or rules that the bank need to follow. There are high chances for these to ask. In exam, the examiner might ask like give some five regulatory framework that a bank needs to follow. So that you need to write five law financial report or like five law from these any from these points to get the mark. Like this one there can be asked in MCQ. Form A deals with the balance sheet and Form B deals with profit and loss. Like when I see that, I just discussed only. Like you can see that everything in is in point wise. How the borrowings need to be verified, how the deposits needs to be verified, how the fixed assets needs to be verified in a bank by the auditor. Now audit of cooperative societies chapter. Audit of cooperatives, audit of local self-government. I think this is the last chapter. Yes, this is the last chapter. So like there is three modules in this CMA study material. Sorry, the CMA intro auditing. Like similar to the study material itself, but only the thing is that how it is different from the ICS study material is it is in my book all the concepts are discussed in point wise and that too in a concise and in the simple words, and you are also you given by me the free doubt solving session. Whatever doubt you have in this book or the concepts you can directly ask to me through the number I will be giving, so that you will be able to get a better grip on the concepts. So like if you want to know the price of these books and all, or if you need a demo of any topic, you can like message me on this number 8086713046, or you can message me through Insta at my Insta account for the learning purpose, which is learn with CA Aslam. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So happy learning. Bye bye.